Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of Social Studies. In the previous video, we had learned about language, food and clothing of India. Today, we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 16, our country India. Today, we will know about handicrafts, music of our country India. Okay, see in short. Decorative objects made by hand are called handicrafts. Handicrafts are those things which are made by hand to decorate our home or anything. Music. Listening to music relaxes our mind. Indian classical music is divided into Hindustani music in North India, means whatever classical music in North India, it is known as Hindustani music, and classical music in South India known as Carnatic music. Okay, so all of you open page number 144. There we will know about handicrafts music in detail. See, handicrafts, I told you just are decorative objects made by hand are called handicrafts. India is famous for its handicrafts around the world. Means India is famous throughout the world for its decorative items made by hand. Handicraft such as earthen pots, pots which are made by soil, jewelry made by beads, bamboo, jewelry made of beads, bamboo baskets and toys, as well as terracotta decorative items are very popular. Terracotta, a type of brownish red colored clay, is known as terracotta. Handicrafts are of different places differ as per the availability of the raw material. Means whatever the raw material available in which area people make handicrafts of those things. Okay, so they differ from place to place according to the availability of the raw material. For example, people in coastal region make handicrafts of coconut coir. Coconut coir means a rough fabric made from coconut cover. Whenever you see a coconut, it is having a covering. This rough covering is known as coir. In West Bengal and Assam, handicrafts of jute and bamboo are common. Showpieces and jewelry of shells is also commonly made near sea because shells are easily available in coastal area because of the sea and ocean. As shells are easily available there. Okay, as I told you, according to the availability of the items, handicrafts may differ place to place. Our next topic on page number 146 is music. See, music is an important part of our lives. Without music, our life will be boring. Listening to music relaxes our mind. We feel relaxed when we listen music. Indian classical music is divided into two. As I told you, Hindustani music in North India and Carnatic music in South India. At various religious places such as temples, churches, dargahs and gurudwaras, devotional songs are sung. Devotional songs, we can also say bhakti songs, by devotees or priests. For example, bhajans in temples, carols in churches, kirtan in gurudwaras and qawwali in dargah. These are the different forms of devotional songs are good examples of Indian music. Some of the common Indian music instruments are tabla, flute, santoor, dholak, sitar and sahnai, which often you have seen in marriage ceremony or anywhere to be played, or in school function or any function. Okay. Our next topic is dance forms. See, dance forms in India are divided into classical dance and folk dance. Now, dance also divided into two parts or two kinds, classical dance and folk dance. Classical dance forms are Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam and Odissi. See, these dance forms belong to different states of India. To learn classical dance, people take training in special dance schools under skilled teachers or gurus for many years. Then they will be expert in a particular classical dance form. Now see the table given on page number 146. Here some dance forms given and to which place they belong. It is also given. See, first one, Kathak belongs to North India. Bharatnatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu. Kathakali, Kerala. Odissi, Odisha. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. And Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are the classical dance forms and to which state they belong. Now see folk dances. Folk dance forms are performed by common people on various occasions such as festivals or the beginnings of a new season, Bhangra and Gidha of Punjab, Dandiya and Garba of Gujarat are various popular folk dance forms. Okay. Folk dances are performed by the common people on different occasions, different festivals. Okay. Some festivals we celebrate in the beginning as to grow crops. They are related of crop growing. Some festivals and on different occasions to show or express our happiness. Okay. Students, in the next video, we will know about festivals of India. Till then, revise the topic and listen the video carefully. Thank you. God bless you all.